Okay, it's Super Bowl weekend, and the Willard Homes team with Sirhan is having 4 open houses this weekend, and 3 of them are today. And so I'm going into Publix, and I'm going to do a Super Bowl theme open house. But the thing is, I have no idea who's playing in the Super Bowl. People that know me know that I just love tennis and not football. So comment below and tell me who's playing in it, and I'm gonna you can help me pick out the. So you know Publix is gonna make a big thing out of Super Bowl, and they're gonna have a lot of special treats here. Here's a cookie cake. Here's some brownies, but they're $12.99. That's a little expensive for my open house, especially since I'm paying for 5 of them this weekend. Football cake won't work, but maybe these cupcakes. This is something that a buyer can come in and just grab one. So that could be really, really good. Of course, I wouldn't know what colors to get because I don't know what teams are playing, but I really like these brownies. They look so good. $12.99, not sure. Okay, let's see if they have anything else. This place is bumping. Okay, let's check over here and see what else they have. They have the cupcakes and again, those brownies. And then we can't do the cookie cake because that's not appropriate for an open house. We don't want people cutting it up and touching it. I need individual things. Those cupcakes, I think I'm going to do the cupcakes. They're not bad, even though I don't know what colors represent which team. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Okay, so next we got to get what I love, and those are the vegan chocolate chip cookies. I always have them at every open house. They're so good. Let's see if they have some fresh ones. I checked yesterday and they didn't have any. Oh my gosh, they have them. Okay, so I'm going to get a box of those. And it's a reasonable price for those too. I don't like the oatmeal. I don't like the other ones. Okay, so next it's water time. So I always get the Publix mini bottles. They always work out. So I'll get a case of those.
Super Bowl weekend.
And yeah. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no, I just smashed my cupcakes. Oh my gosh.
Water on the cupcakes.
Wow. Didn't see that coming. Okay, so I will go and get Fiji water too. And I love that water. It's a special occasion. It is
Let's see how they
Super Bowl
I mean, it's
weekend.
my fault,
so let's do the Fiji water. I don't see it. Where is it? I just don't see it.
Or return them. So I could just fix them up. But where is...
Oh, okay, here.
Super Bowl weekend.
$7.29.
Really
I don't know if I'm going to spend that much.
I'll do the
wait.
ones.
We got the smaller one. Okay, so I got my messed up cupcakes. And then I got my vegan chocolate chips. I got my Fiji water. I got my spring water. And let's see what they say about the cupcakes. I'll go over here. But at least I can save 4 of them and maybe fix that one up if I have time. This was the thing that broke. This is the thing that smashed it.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Class was okay?
Yes.
You were still wanting to purchase these?
What?
You were still wanting to purchase these?
Yeah, I smashed them by accident.
It's fine. We're more than happy.
So there you go. I love Publix. They said that they can definitely return those, even though I said I smashed them. So that was pretty nice. I love Publix.